What is a synapse? A simple and illustrated explanation. The human brain is an incredible machine made up of around 100 billion neurons. But how do these neurons communicate with each other? The answer lies in a tiny but essential component: the synapse. In this article, we'll give you a simple and visual explanation of what a synapse is, how it works, and why it's so important to how your body functions. What is a synapse? Simple definition. A synapse is a connection point between two neurons. It allows information to pass from one neuron to another. Contrary to what many think, neurons are not physically attached. There's a small gap between them, known as the synaptic cleft. The synapse acts as a bridge or gateway between neurons. How does a synapse work? The process of synaptic transmission happens in a few key steps. An electrical signal, called a nerve impulse, travels along the axon of the first neuron. When the signal reaches the synapse, it triggers the release of neurotransmitters, chemical messengers like dopamine, serotonin, or acetylcholine. These neurotransmitters cross the synaptic cleft. They bind to receptors on the next neuron. That second neuron receives the message and turns it back into an electrical signal to continue the transmission. Visual summary: Neuron A, synapse, Neuron B. A simple analogy: the brain's postal system. Imagine Neuron A is a mail carrier and Neuron B is a mailbox. The mail carrier brings a letter, the message. They stop at the synapse to drop it off. The mailbox, Neuron B, receives the letter and passes it along. This is exactly what a synapse does, but millions of times per second, throughout your entire body. Why are synapses important? Synapses are absolutely essential to how your brain and nervous system work. They allow you to react to pain, reflexes, move your muscles, learn and memorize, feel emotions, sleep, move, think. Without synapses, neurons couldn't communicate, and your body wouldn't function. The parts of a synapse component role: presynaptic neuron, the neuron that sends the message; neurotransmitters, chemical messengers that carry the signal; synaptic cleft, the small space between neurons; postsynaptic neuron, the neuron that receives the message. Summary: a synapse is the point where two neurons connect. It uses neurotransmitters to pass information. It is essential for nerve signal transmission. Synapses are found all over your body and are always active. Watch the video, Synapses Explained with Animation. Want a visual explanation with animations and real-life examples? Check out our video, Synapses: How do neurons talk to each other? Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share it if you enjoy learning with us.